Yes, and there we will go now. Erciyes Ski Resort is one of the largest ski centers outside the Alps. You see a model of this wonderful ski resort behind me. Already there are 18 lifts operating here at Erciyes in an altitude between 1,900 meters on the bottom level and 3,400 on the top level. You can ski here every year from the end of November till the end of April. That means that it is a wonderful long ski season. 200 kilometers of slopes are daily groomed, and beside these slopes you get an unlimited terrain of off-piste skiing with wonderful powder snow conditions, because the air is really dry here in Kayseri or above Kayseri. Next winter the village, which is now under construction, will be opened in the first part. There will be then 1,000 beds more than now. This is the last evening for me, this time here at Kayseri at Mount Erciyes. Mount Erciyes is one of the most interesting ski resorts I have ever visited. Already there are 18 lifts operating in an altitude. It starts here on this level on 2,200 meters and the top stations are on 3,000, more or less 500 meters. It is a really big resort with a large artificial snowmaking system, 100 kilometers of freshly groomed slopes every day, and the area for off-piste skiing is enormous, you can't count it. Besides this, Mount Erciyes is also very, very close to Cappadocia. You have here on the mountains a lot of wonderful huts, especially I recommend one to you, that is Lifos Cafe. In my point of view, it is the most beautiful ski hut of the world, and you get a $1 million view about Kayseri. I stayed at Hotel Mirada del Lago. It is a beautiful hotel just a few steps away from the slopes, but anyway, they will bring you via shuttle to the lift and get you in the afternoon back. That is quite, for me, if you stay normally at the Alps, and you can't understand this, but it is nice for sure. In Hotel Mirada del Lago you get all the stuff you need. There is an indoor pool, there is a large buffet on dinner, on lunch. You get a really nice spa, you get relaxing zones. You have a nice room, and for sure, always in every part of this resort, all the hotels on the one hand and the lifts on the other hand, you get always the Turkish hospitality. The nice people of Anatolia, they will help you every time. And for sure, I will be back again, and I hope I will see you here on this resort of Kayseri at Mount Erciyes.